Meet John. John's really worried because he's having some electrical problems at home. The safety switch keeps tripping, causing unexpected outages, and John doesn't know why. John knows he can't do anything himself. Electricity is dangerous after all. But he doesn't know any reliable electric contractors in his area. Thankfully, John's neighbor recommended us. His neighbor had used us before and assured John that we were fully licensed and highly qualified in all aspects of electrical work. The electrician came around and gave John's electrical system a thorough inspection. He was able to quickly pinpoint the cause of the problems and put it right safely. If you're experiencing electrical problems like John, don't take chances. Get complete peace of mind for you and your family. Contact us for an inspection today.